Hey, you found me. Today I want to talk to you about TNT cartridges. I was checking out T&Ttattoo's on Instagram and I saw some cool capillary cartridges I wanted to try out. So I contacted them and they sent me two different kinds, the AW and the ERA. The AW has capillaries and the ERA is the classic. Let's check them out. Here is the box that TNT sent me. It has both different types of cartridges in it. Let's take a look. As you can see here, they sent me some mags. On the left here, you have the 11 curved mag and a 10 gauge, and on the right, you have the 7 curved mag and a 10 gauge, which is the one with the capillary cartridge tips, which I used on a project on my husband's ankle of a raven. I've tried each of these on that piece, and the capillary cartridges hold a lot of ink. They both perform really, really well, but I noticed the capillary cartridges hold a little more ink, which is very cool. They both shade really smoothly and have good control. In my TNT test kit, I also received this 8 and 9 round liner, both in a 12 gauge that I want to test out right now on some silicone. So let's do it. So we're going to start with the ERA cartridge. It is the 9 round liner. We're connecting it to the V2 today. Here's my doodle. I doodled it quickly. Let's tattoo it. I'm at a 9 volt. And it's cutting through like butter. There, it just ran out of ink on that last one, so you can see get pretty far before you do. Okay, that's about halfway through this little design. I feel like this cartridge performed very well. It holds a lot of ink. It feels very stable even on the silicone, which can throw you off a little bit sometimes because it's a little thicker than human skin. Of course, human skin has its own textures as well. All right, let's switch this out to the 8 round liner in a 12 gauge. With the AW, or the capillary cartridge. There it is, the capillaries. All right, that completes my little doodle. I think it came out pretty cute. What do you think? It's done with a 9 and 8 round liner from TNT. It looks awesome. I think both of those cartridges perform great. If you like the capillaries and that's your thing, go for the capillaries. But the other one works awesome too. Nice smooth lining, good control. Saturated line, seems like the needles are sharp, not wobbling too much as I pull my lines. One pass line on the silicone, Hopefully it'll do just the same on skin. I think it will. If you like what you see here, please go to TNTtattoos.com. Use code Floaty Lady for your 5% discount. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.